Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. And today we are going to make avocado salsa verde. Can be used with nachos and tacos and also fajitas. Now, this is from the salsa verde which we made, and we're going to finish this off with avocados. I told you, you can make thousands of sauces with the salsa verde. Okay, so for this we are going to need a cup of our salsa verde, a small bunch of cilantro, 2 parts of garlic, 1 whole avocado, and 2-3 spoons of sour cream. Now, if you don't have sour cream, you can also use yogurt. And to keep it not very runny, I'm going to use onion powder instead of using fresh onions, okay? And so let's start mixing all this together. We've got to blend this well. So this is our garlic, the whole avocado. Oh man, I love this sauce. You know, when I go to a certain restaurant here, I cannot get enough of this sauce when I keep on dipping it. And I find it very healthy because it has avocado in it. And this is amazing. So, like I said, when I'm cooking, I'm just looking for different flavors, right? Now, if you make this very spicy, then it won't go well with your pico de gallo and all that stuff. So, you gotta know what you're using for and for what you're going to accompany it, so that way you can blend it all together. Okay, so here we are. Let's start blending it now. Okay, so now it is blended really good, and now you saw I chopped the cilantro because I didn't want to be whole, right? So to this, I'm gonna add some lemon juice. Now what happens with the lemon juice is I didn't want to put it before because I wanted the yogurt not to break or the sour cream to break. So I'm adding it at the end and gonna blend it. Now, if you want, you can add some oil also to it to make it like a dressing or a dip, but this is just good. I'm gonna blend it because also with lemon juice what happens is the avocado doesn't become black. You require that lemony taste to it for it to. So let me blend it and then we'll taste it. Okay guys, so now we've completely blended our avocado salsa verde with sour cream. So let me taste it. Oh my god, it's not very runny, it's really nice. So this goes with, you know, on top of. Wow, this is so good. Believe me, it's not spicy. Now if you want to make it spicy, you can add some more jalapeños or anything like that. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel, and look at all the other recipes which go with this stuff. Okay, so happy cooking.